aimlessly, totally lost, hiding my eyes under my hat, hands in my pockets, I go around whistling at the stars that come out to listen. And then the red moon speaks to me. I ask her, is she waiting for me? And the moon says, if you want to know, there is no one here no more. And I call your name to find you, and all I hear are the people that know you telling me it's late. And what do you want to know? There is nobody here no more. Oh, red moon, who will tell me the truth? Who will be sincere with me? Tell me, red moon, is it true? Did she really leave last night without seeing me? Oh no, no, but I still say that she will come for me. I'll be here outside this balcony tonight at 3, and that she is praying